This e36 has come a long way since I purchased it, but sadly it doesn't look appropriately, and in this episode we're going to change that. Now, since this is a budget build, you won't see fully designed liveries here. Instead, we've purchased some scrap pieces of vinyl, a couple of stickers of AliExpress, and we'll see what can we come up with. So hold on tight and enjoy the episode. Hey, so as you can see, yesterday's plan didn't really work out. The vinyl I had purchased for super cheap to wrap a part of the car turned out to be plastic. It's not really proper vinyl, and it ripped apart and we just took it off. And here comes plan B. I've got a box full of rattle cans, and I think you can figure out the rest. So a very simple design scheme. The lower parts of the body panels is going to get painted in a color you're going to see a bit later, and then we'll throw some stickers on it and call it a day, hopefully. Let's go, roll the time lapse.
Damn, Aiden, you a killer. Damn, Aiden, you a killer.
The new bumper has got a bit of an issue here, and this, of course, is the solution. You know what's coming up next.